In the Issue Navigator, click on Tools in the top right of the screen, and you will see Bulk Change. Depending on the number of issues in the search results, you will see a link. For example, all 25 issues. Click on this to go to the Bulk Operations screen. You can edit multiple issues from this screen. Select the issues that you want to change the status of. Then click on Next. Select Transition Issues, then click on Next. Depending on the issue type, you have different options here. For example, you can close all issues at once by selecting Done, then click on Next. You will then see how many of the selected issues your change will affect. Click Next. You can review your changes again, then click Confirm. You will see a screen that will indicate when the bulk operation is complete. Click on Acknowledge to return to the Issue Navigator.